All I know is we could go anywhere, we could do anything, go whatever the mood we're in.
Hi guys.
We've been driving like 4 hours, I think.
Yeah.
From that spot that we stayed as soon as we arrived to Denmark to now to the southern area of Denmark.
Yeah, very close to the border of Germany. So if I am correct, on the other side we're gonna show you, you can see Germany.
It's pretty cool though. It's very, very close to the border, and we're gonna be crossing tomorrow.
Yeah, we think tomorrow.
Yeah, and so far Denmark was lovely, and it has the best roads ever. I mean, it's just perfect asphalt, and it's very flat.
Yeah.
So it's just, the car just keeps going and going and going in one direction, just like straight, and it's very, very long roads. So it was very nice driving here in Denmark. Wally's been okay.
Yeah. Wally is watching the people on the outside and guarding us because he's a Chihuahua, you know.
Yeah, he thinks he's super tough.
Yes.
Super tough dog.
So we are now in the countryside of Germany, and we found this spot that has like I think it's 5 campers now with us.
We actually got here right on time.
Yeah, because
it might
it's
get
getting
full.
Yeah.
But we managed to walk outside a little bit before it started to rain.
Yeah.
But it's pretty cool here. It's a lot of sheep, but it's nice. It's very quiet, so I think we're gonna have a good night's sleep, and then tomorrow we'll continue driving.
Well, he's like, what are you doing? I can see him in the mirror there. So we have just spent the day driving basically. So first, after crossing the border, we drove to Kiel or Kiel.
He's chewing the bone now.
Oh, that's nice. And looked for a spot that had internet, and we found this awesome restaurant.
They had the best vegan burger ever.
Yeah.
And then like they were super nice, and we just stole a little bit of internet from there.
So we came here just for the internet, and it turns out that they have vegan burgers, and Wally is allowed to sit inside with us. So we're having our dinner here today while we are uploading some videos for you guys. So that's very cool. Okay. Hi, thank you. Can I ask you something? Yeah, okay.
You such a little baby. Oh, little baby.
Shaking the baby, shaking the baby.
This is our spot for the night. It's very gray and gloomy weather. Probably just gonna stay in our tiny cozy home and make some food. Yeah.
It's like Paris in the rain. When I'm with you, when I'm with you, Paris in the rain, Paris in the rain.
Hi guys, So we just woke up to this. It is a massive storm out. It's raining so hard that it woke me up. And it's lightning and thunder. I tried taking Wally out to pee, like before we go, but he was so scared. I was even trying to give him shelter for the rain, but he just didn't want to pee, so I hope he wants to pee himself. Tried to find another spot for him. So yeah, that was something new to experience in the van. What do you think, babe?
I think it's fun.
Show me some lightning in the morning, baby.
Germans love to drive like they need to take a massive shit. Like their speeds are like minimum 200. They're nuts driving.
Very, very stormy weather. I woke up because the rain was hitting the van so hard that I was thinking, what if we have a leak? Because since we have the solar panels, we have made a lot of holes in the van. They're all filled, obviously, but I have this paranoia that it's gonna leak water inside those holes and then it will get moldy. I woke up Rosello and I was like, babe, can we go? I'm not really a big fan of storms.
I'm a big fan of storms. I like when it's raining, I like when it's lightning. I mean, it's super cool. Hi guys, so we are in Hamburg, Germany, and we stopped by a coffee shop, Starbucks, to get some internet. I'll show you a little bit around. So we normally do these stops, so we actually get some internet and edit some videos and charge some batteries and things like that. Yeah. And that is something very surprising though, that you can actually bring dogs inside coffee shops here.
Thank you so much for watching. Our next stop is going to be Amsterdam. So please subscribe if you want to follow our journey.
Getting lost late at night under stars, finding love.